Hi, Chuck Hawley from West Marine, and today I'm here with Dave Johnson from Blue Sea Systems. You know, Dave, Blue Sea makes a very wide selection of battery switches. This is one of your most popular. This is a for 2 batteries, but it's a very compact style. Tell me about this product.
Yeah, this is a really popular product, and it's rated at 300 amps continuous. That's one of the first things, because it can handle so much current and large battery banks. Another feature of this particular product is it is a selector switch, as you mentioned, so it can handle, you can put all of your loads on battery 1 or battery 2, or you can put them on both or combine. And in that case, that's used when you are charging, for example, or if you don't have enough current in your battery to start your engine, you can go to both.
You know, the thing that occurs to me is that it's really got a massive amount of metal. It's got these remarkably big studs. I mean, this is a heavy-duty switch.
It is. In fact, just by weight, and also when you're comparing this to other battery switches, that rating comes from the use of tin-plated copper. We use 100% electrical copper instead of brass like many, and copper actually has 250% more conductive capability than brass.
Wow, that's interesting. Now, the other thing I noticed is really nice features like this web in between the terminals.
Right.
That's to do what?
That actually electrically insulates this large wire from this one and this one, which you want to do.
Okay. Now, you also want to protect the wire as it leaves the switch. What does this cover do for you?
Well, this back cover basically has several features. One is, as Chuck just indicated, it electrically insulates the battery switch, so that protects all of those wire terminals. The other thing that it does is it does allow for mounting either surface mount right on a bulkhead, or it can be mounted through a bulkhead this way with a 2-inch hole saw cut, and then it mounts this way. Or it can be actually mounted through an electrical panel if you cut that 2-inch hole saw and pass it in through the back.
Got it. So what kinds of boats would this be appropriate for? Is this just for small boats because it's a small switch?
This goes on boats from 16 footers all the way up to 60 footers because they all need a battery switch, and this battery switch has such a high capability that it can handle just about anything.
Now, Dave was telling me earlier that there are a couple of other configurations of this which you might also want to consider. One is what they call a dual input, dual output switch that allows you to switch 2 circuits simultaneously, and another version is just a simple on-off switch if you don't have 2 batteries. Well, thanks, Dave, and you know, the Blue Sea battery switches, like all Blue Sea products, are available at West Marine.